Welcome back to another Workspace Academy tutorial created by Media Agility, the premier Google partner for helping users work smarter and get the most out of your investments in Google Workspace. Hi friends, I'm Shilpi, and in this video we are going to cover 7 critical tips for Google Meet. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. So let's get started. Pro tip number 1, reduce lag by presenting the tabs. The saying says, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But did you also know that a tab a day keeps the lag at bay? Google Meet is optimized for video and audio when presenting a tab. By only presenting a tab rather than your entire screen, you can reduce your lag for an overall great experience. Pro tip number 2 is MEET.NEW. So you can type MEET.NEW in the new browser over here. Once you are in, you can add the participants by typing in their name or email, or you can copy all the joining info, which includes a dial-in option, and simply send it to all your participants. The next pro tip number 3 is customize a background. Now this is super easy, and I really like this feature over here in Google Meet. So now you can customize your background. So for this, you simply have to click on this 3 icon, click on apply visual effects over here. Once you click on visual effects, you can blur your image, you can blur your background, and if you want to customize it, this is just a reference over here that I've created. So for the customization, all you have to do is just upload an image from your desktop or your mobile device so that you can get a high quality. So this is the one that I have uploaded over here. Now my next pro tip over here is, if you are presenting your slides or your documents to the participants or into the meeting, so simply click on the Meet icon over here. Quickly, I'll just open the Google Docs. Click on this icon. This is the new feature that has been integrated. This brings your call here. Simply click the Meet icon and you can present whatever you are working on. So this is a brand new feature that brings the call here, lets you bring the meeting by whatever you are working on, putting your video participants directly into the right side of Google Doc or the sheet or the slide wherein you're collaborating. So try it now. It's a really a cool feature. Pro tip number 5, quickly and easily present mobile screens directly on the Google Meet by simply clicking on this present icon button over here, which is here. This is a present icon button. Pro tip number 6 is the closed captions, which is over here, double C. So with Google Meet, you can add closed captions by simply clicking on this icon. And as you can see, the captions are bang on accurate. Whoa, I really like this feature, and I think you will too like this. So this is basically for the teams, for the individuals, if in case they're working from home and they have a bad internet connectivity, then they can use this option while on the Google Meet. So as of now, the captions are available in 6 languages over here, and currently with plans to expand, making it easier than ever before to meet across many geographies with diverse teams working together and communicating effortlessly. So my next tip is the whiteboarding. So this is a whiteboard over here, and whiteboarding is built into the activities section of Google Meet. Now you can quickly add to some ad hoc collaborations, brainstorming, or simply draw some funny pictures. So the way I use it is, if in case I am in any of the Google Meet and we have to get some ad hoc collaboration done across the teams, Then instead of using a mouse, I use the text boxes through this whiteboard, and the collaboration becomes very easy over here. So the next over here is the breakout rooms, polls, Q&A, recordings, whiteboarding. I've already discussed with you. So to know more about these options, check out my next video. Till then, thanks for watching. For more Google Workspace tips, tricks, tools, and how-tos, please be sure to subscribe. And if you and your team wants to get more out of your Google Workspace licenses with guaranteed support times, expert advisory, proactive features, release updates, and more, all at no cost for you, contact Media Agility today using the link in the description. Till next time, here's working smarter with Google Workspace.